मैं हूँ एग्जाम सबको रुलाता, रातों की नींद मैं ही चुराता, सिलेबस मेरा लंबा सा रोड, देखते ही स्टूडेंट्स हो जाते कोल्ड। टाइम कम और चैप्टर ज्यादा, देख के मुझे सब बोल, पर मैं ट्विस्ट क्वेश्चन टाइट, टॉपर भी बोले ये क्या फाइट। On the desk, clock still ticking loud, notes all scattered, I'm pushing through the crowd, highlighters blazing, focus on the grind, dreams of victory steady in my mind, sweat on my brow, but fear won't last, turning pressure to fire, rising up fast, coffee in hand, determination in my chest, no shortcuts here, I'm giving my best, chapters and chapters, don't care about the load, challenge accepted, I'm ready to explode, every late night has been paying the price, practice repeat till I get it right. Not scared, not running from the fight. Stand tall, stay sharp, bring the light.